PKK targets civilian settlements in Turkey, 18 killed. Turkish operation liberates 42 Syrian villages from PKK. Turkey says Syrian Kurds biggest supporters of operation. Trump says he hopes PKK abandon fighting Turkey. Turkey not afraid of sanctions, Foreign Minister. US prepares to evacuate troops from North Syria. Israel to build new settlements homes in West Bank. Morocco distances itself from Arab League statement. Burkina Faso death toll rises 16 in mosque attack. Afghanistan closes consulate in Pakistan in protest. Postpaid mobile service in Kashmir to resume on Monday. India calls on Kashmiris to end lockdown.